Marcia and Sean had been co-workers at the research facility for nearly 2 years, but tonight, something extraordinary changed their lives forever. While exploring the old tunnels beneath the city, part of an abandoned project, they stumbled upon a faint, shimmering stream glowing with an unnatural blue light. At first, they thought it was just a strange mineral deposit, but as they peered closer, the water pulsed with a rhythmic energy. Sean, ever the curious scientist, carefully dipped his finger into the stream. Instantly, he felt a surge of information flood his mind. Images of distant galaxies, the architecture of unknown civilizations, and a profound understanding of the universe itself. Marcia watched in awe as Sean's eyes widened with realization. "This isn't just water," he whispered. "It's a data stream, an energetic channel that holds the knowledge of an entire civilization. It's like a living library." Suddenly, the stream's glow intensified, and an invisible force seemed to reach out, almost beckoning. Sean and Marcia exchanged determined glances. They knew this discovery could revolutionize science, or if misused, threaten the world. In that moment, they made a silent pact. They would protect the stream, study it carefully, and ensure its power was used responsibly. As they turned to leave, the water shimmered once more, whispering secrets just beyond human reach, reminding them that some knowledge was better kept hidden, at least for now. They stepped back into the forever changed, carrying the secret of the powerful stream that could unlock the universe's greatest mysteries.